Alright, listen up. You want the Robinhood Gold Card? Stop wasting time. Here's the unbiased, step-by-step breakdown. Number 1. Get Robinhood Gold. You need Robinhood Gold. It's a paid subscription. Think of it like a gym membership for your money. You can't get the card without it. Go to your Robinhood app, find Gold, and sign up. Stop being cheap. Number 2. Apply for the Gold Card. Once you're a Gold member, look for the Credit Card or Gold Card section in the app. Click Apply Now. They'll ask you for your info like income, address, blah blah blah. Fill it out. Fast. Number 3. Wait for approval. They'll check your credit. Don't have good credit? Fix it. Seriously, this isn't rocket science. If you get approved, congrats. If not, figure out where you screwed up and try again later. Number 4. Activate and use. You get the card activated in the app. Start using it. Get those rewards. Stop letting money sit around. Make it work for you. Tip: use the Robinhood Gold Card for everything you can. Maximize those rewards. Every dollar counts. Stop leaving money on the table.